Alright fam, welcome back to Muscle and Classics SEMA Show, where you can witness the hottest rides on the planet and run into some of the most legendary drivers of all time.
The legendary, living legend, Mr. John Force himself. Now, it's not every day you get to meet a living legend, you know?
I think the show was named after your show.
Mm-hmm. Muscle and Classics, yeah.
Yeah, because they're all muscle and I'm classic. We had a great weekend at Vegas.
Mm-hmm.
Brittany won the race in
Congratulations.
top fuel. And with Advanced Auto Parts, Robert leading with the points lead. He's had almost all year. And Brock and I were still in the hunt. And we'll see where it goes. And we love your show.
Absolutely. Thank you, guys. I thank all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, from right to left, Austin Prock, the legendary Mr. John Force, Brittany Force. And hey, congratulations on that point lead. Thank you. And make them keep chasing you, brother.
Alright family, before we talk to some more leaders in the automotive industry, I wanted to take a closer look at some of the more in-depth one-off builds they have here at SEMA.
Now, this is a 64 Riviera. You rarely see these cars, and you definitely don't see them restored in this manner, but this car is immaculate. This car has won the Good Guys Awards. This car has also won the Mother's Shine Award. It's things like this when people come to SEMA. This is a one-off build. You will not see this car if you're not in the building. 1964 Buick Rivera, built by Cruiser Customs. And look, no lines. No lines nowhere. Look, and the block is painted copper. That's immaculate. You can eat off of this. It got the finish plate in the front to cover everything else. You can't see the radiator, but every line on this car is tucked. You cannot see it. They even carried out that all the way back to the trunk, where you have the hidden panels, which probably have speakers behind it, but they carried that wood, solid wood theme all the way through the inside and all the way back to the trunk. This is a pristine job. This looked like a Brandywine or something type color. I'm not sure the color, but it looks Brandywine to me. But just look at every line on this car. It's all pristine. Every line on this car is perfect. Now, some of you guys may have heard of Cruiser Customs, but SEMA is the type of event that brings the best out of builders. These guys work on these cars for 2 and 3 years just to get them here, just to be seen for 4 days. So, Cruiser Customs, great work on this car.
Alright family, be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube so we can keep you up to speed on all the latest trends in autocross, restoration, resto mods, and the latest aftermarket equipment.